In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your digital planner step by step. Step 1. Download the digital planner. The first step is to download your digital planner. There are many different digital planners available online, so choose the one that works best for you. You can download it from the planner's website or from a digital marketplace like Etsy. Step 2. Save the digital planner to your device. Once you've downloaded the digital planner, save it to your device. You can save it to your computer, tablet, or phone. Make sure you know where it is saved, so you can access it later. Step 3. Open the digital planner. Open the digital planner using the app or program that is compatible with your device. If you're using an iPad, you can use the GoodNotes app, or if you're using a Windows computer, you can use OneNote. Step 4. Customize the planner. Now that you've opened the digital planner, it's time to customize it to your liking. You can change the cover page, add your own tabs or sections, and even change the colors of the pages. Step 5. Add pages. If you need more pages for your planner, you can easily add them by duplicating existing pages or by creating new ones. This is useful if you need extra space for notes or if you want to add more sections to your planner. Step 6. Add your information. Now it's time to add your own information to the planner. You can add your daily tasks, appointments, reminders, and anything else you need to keep track of. You can also use stickers or icons to make your planner look more visually appealing. Step 7. Save your planner. Once you've set up your digital planner, make sure to save it. You can save it to your device or to a cloud-based storage system like Google Drive or Dropbox.